Hello everyone, once again we are back to talking about life skill, communication skill and personality development. And my previous video I shared a lot of communication skill, and this is the whole series of a communication part 1. So in this video we will talk about how to talk someone with well professionally and well in confidence. So let's move forward. Before move forward, let's talk about like how to start a conversation. So first thing that we have to be remember that communication isn't means that we are talking in English. We can well communicate in Hindi as well. The thing that it's matter a lot that how you are speaking and how you are talking to the person and how well you are able to express your feeling, your heart, your idea in front of the person. That is very important. The first motive is that if you are sharing something, that should be clear to the other person. That is very important in communication. It's not depending on language. There is no language barrier that you will speak in English also, or you will speak in Hindi as well. Now let's move forward. So let's remove this myth, English and Hindi. We will move forward how to speak. So first ever you have to be remember that when you are speaking, when you are talking to someone, when you are communicating to someone, that speak in a polite way. That your tone should be polite. It's not look that sometimes it's look like that we are overacting or we are trying to put it down the other person, or sometimes it's like that कि हम अपने ideas क्या करें उनके ऊपर रोकने की कोशिश करें. So we have to be ensure that whenever we are sharing something, we are expressing our feeling, we are sharing any idea, so it should be look like that we are not a seniority. So your tone should be polite. Use a very simple language and speak clearly and speak slow. That will be easy to understand by the person. Okay. Now the next thing is that you have to be make sure that while you are communicating with the person, you have to make eye contact with the person properly. Okay? When you are talking to someone, if you are sitting or if you are standing in front of the person, make the eye contact and keep a facial expression little bit smiling. So keep a smile on your face. That feel that yes, you are listening to the person, and if you are sharing anything, keep a little bit smile on your face. It will look like that yes, you are happy to share the idea, share the feeling, or share the whatever you have to share. So that is very important. That make eye contact and be a gentle smile on your face. Now the next thing that is important in communication, that if you are sharing any idea, so your idea should be clear and concise. Okay, that is very important. Sometimes we share a broad thing and then the things will be missing up. Okay, mix up, and then the person will not get the main motive of the communication. So it should be clear that whatever you are sharing, जो भी आप बता रहे हो, उसका जो main idea है, main motive वो उस person को clearly समझ में आना चाहिए. That is very important. Okay. Now, if you are going to show any proof or any suggestion, so it should be concrete, means it should be well valid or well like you verified it that ये idea ही perfect है और उसकी पूरी आप theory के साथ उसको समझाएं अगले person को ताकि वो समझ सकें. Now the next thing, that how you have to sit in front of the person. So it's very simple. Sit straight, make eye contact to the person. If the person is sharing, make proper eye contact. Not allow too much, like ऐसा भी ना लगे कि आप उनको लगातार पूरे जा रहे हैं और ऐसा भी ना लगे कि आप उनको इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. Make a eye contact normally, gentle eye contact, and keep a little bit smile on your face and sit straight. First thing you have to sit straight in the person. It's not that you lay down forward or you lay down forward or you sit unprofessionally. I will make separate video on it. That is very broad topic also. So we will discuss this topic also. Let's move forward for the communication skill next. Now, apart from this, if you are standing, then stand straight. I shared also that if you are standing, then your chest should be out and your back should be straight. That's look like yes, you are confident person that you are standing. Then the person will listen to you very carefully. Now, the next thing, let's move forward. So now the next thing is that whenever you are speaking, you speak in a complete sentence and your thing should be correct. Use simple language that is easy to understand. जहाँ पे आपको इंग्लिश नहीं है वहाँ पे आप हिंदी का यूज करें. Very simple that I am also using. So sometime it will happen that you get stuck in middle of the sharing. So if you are not getting any idea, don't simply use your normal language. It will be easy to understand by your facial expression, by your body gesture. It will be understandable by the person. Okay. So keep this thing in your mind that if you are sharing, so complete your sentence, then move forward to the next one. Okay. That will be easy to understand by the person. So these are the things that we have to talk about communication. And we have very broad topic. We have more thing about this. So we will meet in the next video part 2 and I will share more about it, and then let's meet again. Bye bye.